This week's tip is on cleaning your refrigerator. First thing you're going to do is grab a bin or a box and put everything in the box. This saves you time from walking back and forth from the countertop. Grab yourself a bucket and fill it with very hot water, as hot as you can stand. Get your cleaning towels wet and line your refrigerator with the towels. Let them sit for just a minute and then come back and wipe everything down. It's really effortless and easy. Before you put everything back into the fridge, grab your compost bucket and a trash bag and sort through all the rotten items in your fridge, making room for new delicious food items.